So it took a little while to clean it. I still need to get this seal. So I'm going to grab that seal and put that on. But changed out the spline. So that'll fix the AX15. Cleaned all the surfaces with that nice little Ryobi I just got. It's a angle grinder, surface grinder. So it cleaned everything nicely. It's just really just easy. And I maintained to keep the grooves that are already in there. So just to clean out, you know, you don't want to dig at it. You don't want to go ahead and just put divots in there. You just want to see, you can see how the lines are. And that's what you want to keep, those grooves that are originally in the machining and in the sanding of the original piece. You want that to stay, but that's what holds the Permatex, the Ultra Black. And it's grease and oil, for grease and oil. So I have to change this seal yet. I ground that off, I surface ground those, clean the oil off of it. What a pain in the ass to get the oil off, but it's off, and see, you can see this much better. If you can see the grooves, and you want to keep those grooves, because that's what holds the Permatex, and that's what gives it that thin line of protection to keep it sealed, and so that the oil and the even though it's I'm going to use synthetic, you still want to keep those grooves, because if it's so smooth, it's just going to want to it's just going to want to bleed through. So it's cleaned off. Don't do that. I did that. I left the stupid freaking tag on, and I took off all the orange and yellow paint, that, you know, the prettiness of it, but who cares? You can still see, because they actually put they stamp it in, so you know that it's an NP231J. I don't have the sticker that says, you know, it's got the slip yoke eliminator, and it's for the AX15, but the next person that gets this thing will know, obviously, it's an AX15 transmission, because the AX15 transmission will be attached to it. If they don't know, well, they don't belong in a Jeep. So now it's just a matter of, I got to run over to AutoZone and pick up a couple little ones, or I have to look and see, because I may have with the rebuild kit. So I haven't bothered, because I'm just tearing it down. But now it's clean. It's ready to be put back together. Like I said, I changed this one out, so this is brand new. That's all ready to go. All the slip rings are back in, and nicely holding everything together. Have to put Permatex on this and here, and then put this little devil back on and get that set. But you can see right there that that's an oil spot, and guess what, there's the oil reservoir thing, so it blows the oil up and through. So you want to make sure that when you put that back with the numbers, it goes there. And well, that's what we got. So getting it together. It's 1:30. I did exceptionally well. I'm not trying to pat myself on the back, but yes, I'm going to. And I did a good job. But like I said, today was the day. We have to run over to. It's Friday, so I have to go to the car insurance place and pick up some paperwork, and then come back and see if I can start reinstalling, or start at least doing other things. Other than that, then if I can't, we got rain tomorrow, we got rain on Saturday, and it'll just sit and get wet. Anyway, have a good evening.